Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
About 8 months into President Bola Tinubu's administration, the unprecedented rise in the cost of goods and services has sparked agitation and panic among many Nigerians who can no longer bear the harsh prevailing economic situation that has made it near impossible to have 3 square meals, as it were, in the beginning. Nigerians are urging the government to immediately initiate policies that will be more impactful in addressing the state of the nation. Our correspondent, Leji Dagus, reports on the condition in the oil-rich Niger Delta and also brings to you details from the recent hunger protests in Edo State.
Most recently, the country has been plunged into an unprecedented food crisis, with food inflation hitting over 33%. In a bid to tackle this rather troubling economic situation, President Tinubu set up a federal government committee on emergency food intervention to unlock grain reserves, an initiative that has been of little or no effect at all. The complaints and suffering of ordinary Nigerians have been greeted with protests in Niger, Kano, Ondo, Oyo, and most recently Edo State, where their demands is the same.
No. We are tired of the government of the Nigerian state as a result of hunger and starvation in our land.
Still grappling with the multiplier effect of the removal of petrol subsidy and the wobbling price of fuel with no respite in sight, which has led to the return of queues in filling stations across the country. Commercial bus drivers in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, are calling on the federal government to urgently address the issue or reverse its earlier decision to phase out the fuel subsidy regime.
I don't have any salary from them. I don't have anything in common from them. What I have from them is that little subsidy they pay for me to enable me to see little food and my children at home.
Right now we are buying fuel a liter. Some are saying 900, some are saying 850, some are saying selling 950, as the case may be. If government will go back to subsidy, it will help us a lot.
Without a doubt, the Central Bank of Nigeria's Naira floating policy and its attendant devastating impact on the value of the Naira has impacted so much on businesses and households due to the country's import-dependent economy that has led to the current pressure on the Naira.
If you import goods now, the landing cost, when you pay for import duty, you cannot even sell the money that you used to.
This dollar of a thing, everybody shouting, it's because of dollar, because of dollar. Please, government should come in and see what they can do to help.
Poor and vulnerable Nigerians whose purchasing power can no longer afford the ever-increasing prices of goods and services due to inflationary forces in play are calling on the government to step in to ensure they survive.
Before, business was good. You can go out and come back with food for children. You can sell and have your own gain. But now, the way things is high, you sell some things, no gain. And that makes some women, because of they could not avoid the price of things, they steals in the market. You see a woman dressed very well will come and carry somebody's bag, will come and put her in somebody's business, and you see them beaten up by market people. So we're calling government to come to our rescue.
Before now, we are buying 1 kg of fish, 1,200. But now we are buying it 2,300 naira. We sell 2,500. Even today now, they see increase the price of the fish. If they continue like this now, people will die. People will perish because of expensive of things.
The Tinubu-led government has come under heavy backlash recently for reasons bordering on the biting economic realities of the day, as citizens with decent income can no longer support and provide for their families. Many say the policies of his administration are rather inadequate and unsustainable for an economy the size of Nigeria. As tension and agitation continues to rise, it has become imperative on the government to swiftly put in place plans that will immediately ameliorate the sufferings of the masses and salvage the situation.
Inside the Niger Delta,